welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in John 13, verse 7. Jesus replied, "You do not realize now what I'm doing, but later you will understand." The Lord Jesus Christ responded to Peter, who refused to have his feet washed. Jesus was washing the feet of the disciples, demonstrating true love, that in our service we need humility. He was their master, and yet the master was washing their feet. And therefore Peter said that, "No, don't wash my feet." But Jesus said that, "Yes, you don't understand now, but later you will understand." And then later on, Jesus told them that just as I have washed your feet, so wash each other's feet. So friends, there are things that Jesus would ask us to do, and we don't understand. But He wants us to do it anyway. See, obedience, friends. We need to obey and not question Him for whatever motive He has for us. He said that you don't understand it now. Yes, there are things, friends, that Jesus had told us to do. We don't understand it now. We don't actually fully understand how they work. But He wants us to do it anyway. One of these would be the command to be born again. Do you understand what it is? Friends, when I was given the message about salvation, that I need to be born again, I didn't fully understand then. But I received it by faith. I did it by faith. And later on, I understood. So friends, the ways of God are beyond our understanding. That's why we are told that His ways are higher than our ways, and His thoughts are higher than our thoughts. So it's beyond us to understand. Then we just have to obey. While He is not doing us to do anything wrong anyway. Nothing bad for us. He is not teaching us to kill others. Rather, He is teaching us to love others. Again, that command to love our enemies. I can fully understand, friends. Our tendency is to kill our enemies. See, to refuse and to reject and to fight against our enemies, to defend ourselves, or maybe to take revenge. But Jesus said that, no, love your enemies. We don't understand now, but later on we will understand, because He is teaching us, friends, to have true peace with our enemies. We don't win them over, friends, by killing them or overcoming them through power. No. He said that if you want to win over your enemies, love them. That's why He said that love your enemies, pray for them. See, why did the Lord tell us to love them and to pray for them? See, it's in praying for them, friends, that the Lord will work in their hearts. The Lord will transform them. The Lord will change their attitude towards us. And eventually, they would come back to us and become our friends. See, in the beginning, we didn't understand all these things. So many teachings in the scriptures that we don't understand. But later on, we will. If only we let Him do the work. Just like in the case of Peter. In the beginning, he refused to have his feet washed. Eventually, Peter said that, "Okay, Lord, if that is the case, don't just wash my feet, wash my whole body, my head too." And the Lord said that there's no need for that. And so, friends, God knows our need, and He will meet us where that need is. And when He comes with instruction, our response should be obedience. Just obey. You don't understand it? Just obey. And eventually, God will open your eyes, and you will see wonders in His words, in His commands. There is much blessing, friend, that will come through obedience. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance and give you His peace. God bless. See you next time. Bye.